Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Codesa. I'm your host Utpal and today we'll be looking at this lead code problem, that is lead code 1935. So it says maximum number of words you can type. So let us first go through the problem. Okay, so there is a malfunctioning keyboard where some letter keys do not work. All other keys on the keyboard work properly. Given a string text of words separated by a single space, no leading or trailing spaces, and a string broken letters of all distinct letter keys that are broken. Return the number of words in the text you can fully type using this keyboard. So it says that so it says that so there is a text we need to type, and in a keyboard there are few broken letters. Okay. So basically A and D are broken. So world cannot be we cannot type world because D is broken. Hello can be typed correctly because H is working fine, E is working fine, L is working fine, and O is working fine. But here D is not working fine. So we cannot type world. Okay. So it is asking us to return the number of words that can be typed properly. Okay. So since it is asking for the count, let us first create a count variable. Let's say C0. Fine. Okay. So the idea behind this problem is to find if there is something common between these two or not. So if there are common letters or alphabets between these two strings, that means this string cannot be typed, right? So basically, if you consider it like a set of words or set of characters, if intersection returns some characters, then this word cannot be typed. Else this can be typed. Fine. We need to return the number of words that can be typed, right? Okay. So let us first strip this or basically split this. Right. Strip will not be required because there is no beginning or trailing spaces. So let us split this because we want to check for individual words that can be typed or not. Okay. So S is equal to text dot split. We'll split it across space. Fine. We now have a list of words. Now let us check for each word. So for word in S, we are checking for each word in S. Then we'll try to get the intersection. Right. So if set of set of word dot intersection set of broken letters, right? So we are checking for set of word dot intersection of broken letters. So if there are no or because or there are no or basically this does not return anything, right? We increase the counter to 1, right? So here we are saying that if okay, so we'll just use not here. Basically, if there are no common characters between the word and the broken letters, then it can be typed. So increase the counter to 1. Okay. So once this loop has ended, we'll just return the C. Right. Let us run this code. Great. Uh, it is working fine. Let us submit it. I hope it gets accepted. Great. Get accepted. So I hope you guys understood this problem. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It will motivate me more. Thanks. We'll meet again next time.